Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Wi-Fi denied access. So guys, if you want to connect with any Wi-Fi and facing this type of issue but your password is correct and facing this type of issue again and again. So guys, how can you fix this problem? Easily you can fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all you need to go back, and guys, after going to back you need to open your settings in your iPhone, and guys, after this you need to open your Wi-Fi here. And guys, simply here you can see I have connected Wi-Fi already because I have solved this issue before. So guys, you can solve this issue as well. So guys, first of all you need to click on Wi-Fi preferences, and guys, after this here is the option that is turn on Wi-Fi automatically. And guys, after doing this you need to go back, and guys, simply you need to click on advanced option, and guys, you need to click on saved networks. So guys, simply you need to forget all of these networks by this type. As you can see here, simply you need to forget all the networks from here one by one. And guys, after doing this you need to go back, and guys, you need to scroll it down in your settings, and guys, click on system. And guys, after this you need to click on reset option, and guys, here you can see the option of reset Wi-Fi settings. Simply you need to click on this tab, and guys, from here you can select any sim, and guys, simply you need to click on reset. And guys, after doing reset Wi-Fi settings, your problem will be fixed. So guys, after doing all the methods, if still not fix your problem, then guys, you need to contact with Wi-Fi owner. Guys, maybe that owner block you on WhatsApp. So guys, simply you need to request them and tell them that he will unblock you on Wi-Fi. So guys, after unblocking you, then guys, you will be able to connect with that Wi-Fi easily. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.